Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be installing some TigerTough seat covers in our GMC Savana. Let's get started. All right, this is going to be a pretty simple installation video. This is the TigerTough seat cover. It's the iron weave material that's going to be used in our custom fit seat cover from TigerTough. It comes like this. You're going to get one for the driver's side and the passenger side. You're going to have two pieces, back, bottom, back, bottom. Installation is basically the same between the driver's seat and the passenger seat. So we're just going to show you the driver's seat in this video and then let you figure out how to do the passenger one based off of that. So just pulling things out of the bag, we're going to have things nice and labeled here. So let's see if I can find our driver one. So I'm going to get started here on the seat back. I'm just going to pull this up for this part so I can easily reach behind here. As you can see, it's a one piece. Make sure it does say driver on here, because as you can see, there is some white stitching here for your factory airbag that's in the seat over here. So you need to make sure you get this on the right side of the seat. Also going to have issues with your armrest if you get this wrong as well. And this one fits pretty well because of how this seat is designed. You don't have to do a whole lot of weird putting it halfway inside out and stuff like that you have to do with some of the other vehicles. So it looks like we're coming around here nicely. There, slide this through the back because this attaches. Pretty simple for a seat bag there, right? Now the seat bottom, similar situation. I'm gonna go ahead and detach my string lock. We're gonna slide this through here. Take our strings from the sides here and we're gonna flip this through. Now this flap on the bottom, I wanna go in between the bar that, the adjustment bar. I want to go in between that and the seat. And if there's any other wires or anything like that, that's okay to go over. You just don't want to tie up your lever there from moving the seat. All right. Get quite a bit of leverage going this way. And we're going to take our string lock. I'm going to put one side, just slide it into the bottom. It's going to loop around up top. And that locked in place. Then I'm going to take the other side, do the same thing, and I can really get some leverage. On these strings and pull this tight around the seat bottom here. This flap underneath, pull it together. Looks like this is all good to go here on our driver's side. So like I mentioned, passenger side is basically exactly the same, just mirrored. You want to make sure that you get your driver's side and your passenger side correct. So look at those labels, make sure that the airbag labels line up on the sides of the seat covers. Now if you're looking for these seat covers or any other equipment to get your van ready for work, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. And my name is Ryan, and have a good one.